Hey, welcome back to Amnesty Nail World. Today is Monday, so we're going to do a basic manicure. Here's my before and after. Some supplies you'll need are a bowl, cuticle nipper and pusher, nail clippers. I'm showing you two different types here. One is a straight edge and the other one is curved. The straight ones are going to be for your toenails. The curved ones are going to be for your fingernails on your hand. Some warm water. It's in my Starbucks cup to keep it warm. Antibacterial hand soap. Cuticle softener is optional. Cuticle oil. Skin balm or lotion. A nail brush. Nail bits are optional as well, along with an e-file. A hand file and a first aid kit. You're also going to need some paper towels and hand towels for this. So you can start off by laying out your towel, but for the purposes of this video, so we can have a clean background, I'm not going to use a towel. I'm going to go in and just nip my nails down. You can cut at whatever length you would like. It doesn't really matter. It's all about preference. I like to just keep my nails super, super low. So we're just going to go in and place it under the nail and nip. Be sure to not snag your skin though. So in the bowl, we're going to add some soap and that warm water. You can soak your fingers in this for just a little bit to soften up the cuticles. I'm going to go in with that nail brush and scrub really, really well to get off any oil, dirt, and debris from on the nail, in the nail, and the skin around it. Then we're going to go in with our cuticle pusher, and you don't want to jab at it. You just want to softly push back that skin just to make some space on the nail plate. Very, very softly. And then we're going to continue that across all 10 fingers. Now I'm just going in with that e-file and one of the bits. I'll go in depth about all the bits in a future video. And I'm just cleaning off the nail plate and getting that dead skin and any extraness off of there. Just so I can have a really, really clean nail and the skin around it is all nice and tucked away. So I'm gonna go in with my nippers and remove any of the cuticle and any skin flyaways or hangnails and so on and so forth, just to make sure that I have everything all nice and clean. So it's just a personal preference, but I do like to go in with a sanding band. The e-file is set to really, really low on a 2 speed. just so that it's something that can smooth out that surface and just even out everything. I'm being very, very light with the hand. So try not to apply almost any pressure at all, just enough to where it stays on the nail plate. But that's just a personal preference of mine. It is not required. You just do whatever you prefer with your manicure. You can skip this step if you would like. And also, this day my nails were super, super low already. So I did not go in with the hand file. But if you do need to hand file just to shape up your natural nails, be sure to include that prior to putting your hands inside of the water, because once we put our hands in the water, it is going to soften up the natural nail until it's completely dry. So you want to do all of your cutting and filing before you soak that hand in that water. So here I'm just going in again with the nippers and cutting away any little flyaway skins that are going to be pesky and cause me problems. All right, again, here I'm just going in with the E-file and another one of the bits just to smooth out that skin of mine, just to make sure that I don't snag onto anything and the skin is like super smooth around the nail. So after all of that, I do go back into the soapy water again just to make sure that I scrub off any file shavings and anything that I don't want to top coat if I'm going to top coat. And I grab my towel, or you could use your paper towel if you prefer, and you want to just dry your hands and nails off. I had some extra cuticle left on me, because I hate nipping my own cuticles because they're not really big. So I did go in and cut those off again. And then we're just going to repeat all those same steps on the other hand as well. So now is when the cuticle oil and the balm or lotion comes in. I checked this up really, really well. She has some glitter in here. Oh, and the stuff that I use, links will be down below in the description box. So I'm going to add this cuticle oil to my nails, and then I just want to push it in and just get it underneath there. Just preference of mine. Of course, you do not have to do this if you do not prefer, but I make sure to get the cuticle oil everywhere. I also do a different manicure on myself sometimes where I do a high shine buff, but I'll have to do that one on a different day because I also do like paraffin waxes on myself, hot oil manicures. So I have to go more in depth and show the different manicures that I do, but this is just a simple basic one that everyone should be able to do. Even if you don't have some of the stuff that I use, you can definitely improvise and do other versions of this as well. So just make sure you get that oil really rubbed into your skin and your nails. Just get all nice and hydrated. Now I'm going to go in with the Dr. Bronner's Magic Balm. I love to keep this in my car, my purse, just everywhere laying around because I like the way it makes my skin feel. It gets super moisturized, but it doesn't leave it sticky or anything. And then it also withstands pretty well with when I wash my hands so that my hands aren't super dried out immediately after washing. So you guys check this out if you have not tried it already. And this is the finished look. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And even though it's Monday here for me, tell me what day of the week it is for you, where you are when you're watching this. Bye.